Hello, my name is Kim Sauer at Productronica 2015. I'm joined today by Paul Wood from OKInternational. Paul, it's great to see you here on a very hot Productronica. The temperatures outside are very unusual.
Yeah.
Temperature at OKInternational, I hear, is very, very good as well.
Yeah,
so what's going on at the moment?
It's very similar to this, but normally we're snow boots and anoraks here, and it's 18, 20 degrees, so it's very good, and I think it's paying dividends for people coming. Yesterday was very busy in the afternoon. It's a 4-day show, so people have got time to come.
Mm-hmm. So what sort of feedback have you been getting, and what's new at OKInternational?
Well, yesterday we had a slow start because we're at the back of the halls, A4, but in the afternoon it was extremely busy, and the two brands that are on our booth are Metcal is the soldering products and Tekon is the dispensing side of things. So on the dispensing side, they're debuting a hot melt jet valve on an XY table, so dispensing glue extremely fast, hot, and then it sets. And then they have a new disposable diaphragm valve, which is disposable for two different types of glue going in. Normally you have to start cleaning the valves at the end of the day. Now you just throw away the consumable part of that valve, which makes life very easy. And then in the Metcal side, we have a solder feeder for just feeding wire onto a soldering iron that we've had Metcal brands for a very long time. And yesterday we got an award for a Scarab, which is a contactless solder cleaner, and that was a product that we're debuting here. We've shown it in Asia and we'll be selling it first quarter next year.
Mm-hmm. And what sort of features does that new product offer?
You know, in rework, taking off the component, relatively simple. Placing and soldering, different, could be difficult depending on the pitch. But most of the damage is always done when the operator's trying to clean the solder from the board. Pitches are going down, very, very small. Operators removing pads, and then the board is scrapped and the operator gets frustrated or gets blamed for the damage, and it's really, the technology is leaping ahead. Hand cleaning is becoming almost impossible on new products. Mm-hmm. So that machine steps around the solder area, doesn't touch the board, and vacuums up the solder into a chamber automatically. Mm-hmm. So it's a piece of capital.
So these are improvements in quality but also efficiency, and are helping the employees to improve their quality of work.
Yeah, one operator could run the rework machine and the cleaning machine together. So, and this year Capital seems to have come forward, people wanting to buy products next year's second quarter, third quarter. They're coming to us now saying, can we get one this year? Not the Scarab, but rework machines. So Capital seems to be really hot this year, and it hasn't been that way for quite a few years.
So a positive outlook, and are you expecting that to continue into 2016, 2017?
Yeah, I mean, this show has two features for us. One, it's the last show of the year worldwide, so anybody who has capital can come and look and decide if they want to buy something now, or they'll start looking at it and saying, I want a demo next year, and put a budget in for next year. Mm-hmm. So that's what we do with this show at Productronica.
Excellent. Well, it's the second day. We've still got 2 days to go. I wish you great success for the next 2 days, and look forward to seeing you next time.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.